Caroline. Quick. Oh, shit. It's been on the water. Oh, my God. Oh, for crying out loud. Honestly. Would you look at that? Those poor people. Oh. How the friggin' heck did you get it down on the water like that? Gee, gods. Oh. No? I don't know. Yeah, it's swinging, isn't it? Well, he's lucky that the flame hasn't gone through the material. Get that. Oh, dear. Coming down. Well, let's hope he makes a better job of it this time. Yeah, it's going down. But it's going down very fast, so too friggin' fast. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Oh, have you got chippy? Oh, oh no. Oh, 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 I'm all of a shake. Well, how is that reading my book? Is that reading my book? I suddenly heard, the sound of the gas